For those of you who haven't figured it out, I dropped out of school. No, classes weren't too hard. No, I wasn't making bad grades or I wasn't getting in with the wrong crowd. I just found out that college was not for me. Going to school made me unhappy. So I decided, hey, there's an opportunity to learn and grow outside of this. And I jumped. That metaphorical cliff that comes, or that crossroads that provides you with two decisions to make, I chose and I lived with it. And so far, I don't regret anything. So a little bit about me. I'm from Bastrop, Texas. I went to school at Texas A&M Corpus Christi. That's where I met my beautiful girlfriend, Claire Coggins, of course. I completed 3 years. I changed majors probably 3 or 4 times. And I decided, hey, I'm going to move up to Dallas. So last August, I packed all my things and I moved up to Dallas, Texas. I've been working with some investors and learned how to do real estate investments. And so far, I've learned so much and it's been a lot of fun. After this is the start of my journey that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. I'm going to be sharing you a little bit about what I do every day. I'm going to be explaining like the process, the hustle, how I feel day to day, and just giving you guys encouragement to go out and to do things that y'all want to do. If they want to do something, or that if they have an idea, just to try it out. Maybe you can't replace your job right away, but I promise you, if you stick to your efforts, it will pan out. So yeah, I'm standing actually in one of the houses we are working on together. By we, I mean me and my beautiful girlfriend, Claire. Claire, by the way, started a company called Charming Texas Homes, who she thankfully brought me to be a part of. I've enjoyed every second of it. Definitely check out her profile. Her link to your Instagram is in my description for this video. And you can follow her and follow all of the stuff that she's done and keep up with her content, because honestly, she's great. So finally, I'm just super excited to see what the future holds. I'm going to be posting a whole lot more content. I'm going to be running the Charming Texas Homes YouTube, and we're going to be creating a lot of cool stuff. You guys are going to be able to follow us with our projects and the different houses we've been doing, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So I look forward to hearing from you guys, and as always, take care.